This in-cabin air temperature sensor works for 2011 models through 2020 for a Challenger. I believe it's for a Charger also. Alright, I'm going to do a little video on this. This is the in-cabin air temperature sensor, and that looks like this. This is the new one. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. Mine's broke a long time ago and I just never fixed it. This controls the temperature, I guess, for the passenger and driver side. But it's literally behind this right here. Easy fix. And I'm going to start by doing this. Pulling this off just by pulling it. Like that. Pull the clips. It's got two clips like so. Right there and there. Put this aside. And now I'm going to remove this bolt right here so I can get this down. And there's another bolt right here on the bottom right here by the hood lever. So there's two screws, screws. That one and that one. And the clips will pop down. There's one. Okay. Here's the other one. Already got it cracked loose. This one. So now I'm just going to pull this forward a little bit. Get the clips. There's a clip right there. And there's a clip on this side. And it comes down. I don't want to take it off completely because I got some wires right here. But here's where it's at. The old one right here. You're going to pinch this right here to release it. Of course, I'm going to need two hands for this one. Shit. Okay. Yeah, you just pinch it and pull out, but you're going to need two hands for it. And there's two screws. There's one here and one in the back. I tried gluing it, but it didn't work. So one screw and two screw, and it'll come off. They're just real little screws. Here's the one on the bottom. Just crack it, and you should be able to use your hand after. Like so. Here's the old one. It cracked around here. Anyhow, this will work on all Dodges who carry this. They're all pretty much universal, same size. I tried to buy this from eBay and they tried to tell me it wouldn't fit, and I knew damn well it would. But this is a very universal part on all Dodges. And it just goes in the front of the, or in the back of this. So some people won't even sell it to you. They had to refund me because they didn't say it. They said it wouldn't fit, but I knew damn well it did. That was on eBay. And even the parts thing said it wouldn't fit. But I mean, they interchange these parts for all of them. Chargers, Challengers, Jeeps, Durangos, all these. They all carry this shit. So this will work for anything. Mine is a 2012 Dodge Challenger base model, V6 SXT. And it works for the SRT also. So, you know what I mean? 20 bucks. Amazon. Came in 2 days. This one is Mopar, and this one is not. So, here's the plug you're going to put in. So now we're going to put it like this. It only goes in one way. Spin it until it goes. There's a little slot right there. Boom, and it goes down. And we're going to put one screw in. There's one. One hand you can do it, but when you use a screwdriver, you're going to have to use maybe two hands on the back one, but there's one. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Alright, there's that. Let me just go for one more time on this. This is something you rarely have to worry about. I think I broke it when I was working on my air suspension and having to take all this stuff out and connect all shit down in here, so it ripped it apart. So it's on there. Then we just get the connector. It only goes on one way. Locks in. It's done deal. And then put this back up. Done deal. So now I'm going to put this screw on. Alright, that one's in. Now we got to do the bottom one that's right here. You got to make sure you get it through this little metal piece that's under there that holds everything to this. It's a little metal tab. As you can see, this one was the hardest one, I'd say. Just because you got to get it in that metal tab. Let me tighten it. And that's it. On that, oh no, that's just work. Now we're gonna put this back on. Line it up. Like so. And that's it. It's on and done. Yee. Done deal. Easy cheesy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I do have a bunch of other videos on Dodges, such as this, mostly for Challengers, but it would work for Chargers and other things from Dodge. Check out my list of what I got. Maybe something will help you out.